Hello everyone. In this video, we will be exploring the key components of Power BI. Understanding these key components is essential for effectively leveraging the Power BI's capabilities for data analysis and visualization. The first key component is Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is a free application that allows users to create interactive reports and dashboards using data from various sources. Some of its key features are intuitive drag and drop interface for building visualizations, advanced data modeling capabilities for creating relationship between data tables, ability to write complex text, that is, data analysis expressions, formulas for calculated columns and measures, and the last one is support for custom visuals and R scripts to enhance the visualization. The next one in the list is Power BI Service. Power BI Service is a cloud based platform where users can publish, share, and collaborate on Power BI reports and dashboards. Some of its key features are centralized repository for storing and managing Power BI content, browser based interface for accessing and interacting with reports and dashboards, sharing and collaboration features, including sharing with colleagues, embedding in websites, and setting up data driven alerts, and integration with Microsoft Office 365 for seamless collaboration and productivity. The third component in the list is Power BI mobile apps. Power BI mobile apps allows users to access and interact with Power BI content on smartphone and tablet. Some of its key features are native apps for iOS, Android, and Windows devices, offline access to reports and dashboards for viewing data on the go, touch optimized interface for easy navigation and interaction, and integration with device features like GPS for location based analytics. The fourth one in the list is Power Query. Power Query is a data connectivity and transformation tool in Power BI that allows the users to connect, reshape, and clean data from various sources. Some of its key features are connectors to a wider range of data sources, including databases, files, web services, and online platforms. And it has intuitive interface for performing data transformations such as filtering, sorting, and merging. Then it has automatic query folding to optimize data retrieval from supported data sources, and it has advanced transformation options using AM language for custom data manipulation. The next one in the list is Power Pivot. Power Pivot is an in memory data modeling tool in Power BI that allows the users to create data models and calculations within Excel or Power BI desktop. Some of its key features are in memory analytics engine for fast querying and analysis of large data sets, ability to create relationship between multiple data tables for building complex data models, support for calculated columns, measures, and calculated tables using DAX formulas, and integration with Excel for seamless data analysis and visualization. The sixth one in the list is Power View. Power View is an interactive data visualization tool in Power BI that allows users to create interactive charts, graphs, and maps. Some of its key features are drag and drop interface for building visualizations directly within Power BI Desktop or Power BI Service. Support for variety of visualization types, including bar charts, line charts, scatter plots, and bubble charts. And interactive features such as drill down, slice and dice, and cross filtering for exploration of data in depth. Then we also have integration with other Power BI components for building comprehensive reports and dashboard. The next one in the list is Power Map. Power Map is a 3D visualization tool in Power BI that allows users to create immersive geospatial visualizations. Some of its key features are integration with Bing Maps for displaying data on interactive maps, ability to plot the data points, regions, and routes on maps to visualize the spatial relationship. Then it supports for adding layers, annotations, and custom scenes to enhance the visualization. And it also integrates with other Power BI components for combining geospatial visualizations with other data analysis. The eighth component is Power Q&A. Power Q&A is a natural language query tool in Power BI that allows the users to ask questions about their data using everyday language. Some of its key features are integration with Power BI reports and dashboards for asking questions directly within the interface. Then, natural language processing capabilities for understanding and interpreting users' queries. Then, instant visualization and insights based on user queries with the ability to refine the results interactivity and support for customizations and training to improve the accuracy and relevance of responses. The ninth one in the list is Power BI Gateway. Power BI Gateway is a bridge that connects on premises data sources to Power BI service, allowing users to refresh the data from local sources. Some of its key features are the data gateway is of two types. Number one, on-premises data gateway, and second, on-premises data gateway in personal mode. The next key feature is secure connection to on-premises data source without exposing sensitive information to the cloud. Then it has support for scheduled data refreshes and automatic updates of Power BI reports and dashboards. And it also monitors and manages the features for tracking the gateway performance and usage. The next one in the list is Power BI embedding. Power BI embedding allows users to integrate Power BI reports and dashboards into custom applications and websites. Some of its key features are embedding options for both cloud based and on premises deployment, secure embedding using Azure Active Directory, that is AAD, authentication, and role based access controls. The next one is customization options for controlling the appearance and behavior of embedded reports and dashboards. Then usage of matrix then usage matrix and monitoring capabilities for tracking embedded contents, usage, and performance. The 11th component is Power BI API. Power BI API allows developers to programmatically interact with Power BI service, enabling automation and customization of Power BI functionality. Some of its key features are RESTful API endpoints for managing Power BI resources such as reports, dataset, and workspaces. Then we have authentication using Azure Active Directory token for secure access to Power BI resources. We also have integration with other applications and services for building end-to-end Power BI solutions. Then we have support for embedding and extending Power BI functionalities within custom application and workflows. The 12th component is Power BI data flows. Power BI data flows is a self-service data preparation and transformation tool in Power BI that allows the users to create reusable data entities. Some of its key features are data flow entities for defining the data entities, transformations, and mapping in a visual interface. The next one is integration with Power Query for performing data transformation and data enrichment. The next one is data lineage and impact analysis features for tracking data dependencies and changes. The last one is integration with Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 for scalable and secure data storage. So, in this video, we have explored the key components of Power BI, including Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, Power BI Apps, and various tools for data connectivity, transformation, visualization, and collaboration. Understanding these components is essential for harnessing the full power of Power BI and unlocking valuable insights from your data. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll be talking about the Power BI pricing structure.